We're gonna go check out this new toy that my dad bought. Not that car, not that car, but that car. They're just cleaning up a couple things on it, but it got himself a new little toy. I'll take a closer look at it, see what it's all about, and I'll tell you all the specs. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure to go follow my dad on Instagram. ScaryFast Texas is his handle. Got a bunch of sick cars, and this is the newest one in the fleet. Doing a little quick touch up to it, but yeah, we're gonna get in this thing and mess around with it a little bit. So it's a 1991 Corvette ZR1. I think his plan is to just kind of cruise this thing around. I don't think he's gonna get on it too much, but knowing my dad, it's probably not gonna happen. But before he does anything to it, I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a quick little drive, feel it out, see what kind of issues it has, what we need to work on, and then go from there. Let's tape off of there. Oh my god. Definitely living the Corvette life. Okay. What is it? What is that? What? It's been a while. Okay. Oh, e-brakes on. Let's go ahead and park it out here real quick, walk around it, just kind of point out some things, and then we'll go for a quick little drive. Oh yeah. My dad was telling me that the body on these are wider than the base model Corvette. I couldn't really tell. I mean, it does look like it's flared out a little bit in the quarter and the fender, but it was hard for me to tell. We still need to touch up a couple things on it, and it needs to clean up pretty bad as well, but for the most part, it's not bad. All right, let's take a quick look underneath the hood here. Oh, God almighty. Jesus. That hood is massive. That's a two-person job for sure. God. Sounds like the compressor clutch is making just a little bit of a rattle. But yeah. 4 cam, 32 valve. Little cold air induction kit on it. I'm going to employ the shoulder technique that was taught to me. As long as I put pressure right here on my shoulder, I'm gonna drop it down, and then drop it down, and then catch it. Ah. Oh my Lord. So, fun little fact that I discovered, the e-brake doesn't stay up, it actually goes back down, and it's not that it's released, it's not released, the car is on the e-brake, but once you pull it up and extend it and lock that the handle itself will go down so you can actually get in and out. So they did think about that. The AC's having a couple issues, we'll have to fix that. And I noticed it's got this like normal or full power mode selector switch at the bottom here. I guess it's for like valet stuff. It's got some weird pocket right here, CD player up top, and a bunch of buttons for just about everything. Anybody out there knows, please leave a comment down below, because I have no idea how to take this top off. I know it comes off, and usually there's handles up here, just like the C6 and I can see that there's a hinge, and then back here it's got a little pivot. So I know this top comes off, obviously, because there's already a top back there, so it's gotta come off. I just don't know how to get it off. I don't know where the handle is, so leave me a comment down below. How do we take this freaking top off so we can put the other one on? All right, can't go too far because he doesn't have a tag on this thing yet. But I think I can make it to the corner store and back. Yes! Yes! It's gotta be the smallest side view mirrors I've ever seen in my life. Obviously it doesn't have a whole lot of power like we're used to, but it still gets up and goes. I bet it lights the tires up. I'm not gonna try to find out, or maybe I will see if it'll at least light them up a little bit. But I guarantee before the day's over, my dad's gonna come over and he's probably gonna light these freaking tires up. Guarantee it. Oh, it definitely lights them up. It definitely lights them up. Definitely. $5 says my dad's not gonna be able to contain himself when he comes to check out the car. We're gonna clean it up and get it ready for him, and then I gotta take some pictures. But I am betting he's not gonna be able to control himself. He will have to light these tires up. Well, I'm sure we'll all see here pretty soon. You hot? Yeah. Tires survived, so that's good. So that's good news. So much for it being cleaned up and everything for him, though. We'll have to get it re-cleaned. There's still a couple of issues that we need to solve before he takes it home. But for the most part, it's dad approved. He put his seal of approval on it. So that's it. Like I said, don't forget to give him a follow if you want to see more Scary Fast Texas. I'll put his Instagram name right here. Go give him a follow. And that's it. We're gonna leave this car here, get it finished and ready so he can take it home and play with it. But what do you guys think? Should we do more donuts with the ZR1? Or maybe find something else of his that we can do some donuts in.